Yeah, we have shoes. You, what size you are? 10? 10? I have 2 10s. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. All right. Here we go. I have a 10. Here we go. And sorry, darling. I have another 10. Here we go, bro.
Thank you.
Hey, bro. I have a 12. Oui, les filles, j'en ai pour les filles aussi. Attends une minute. J'en ai un 11. 11.
No, 10.
10? Wait, let me see.
That's for my auntie.
Sorry. I have a 7 and an 11. The 10 are gone. I'm sorry. 11 is okay? All right. Here we go, darling. Here we go. Be careful.
Big shoes.
Okay, I have 7 size. 10. Okay, wait. 10. Okay, you're 8. Well, take 7. I have 11 here. And I have a 12. That's it. But I have pink there over there. Wait.
So, I don't know what size these are.
Me neither. And I have this here. I need an 8. I have only 1 12 here left. J'ai un 12 ici si tu connais quelqu'un.
Un 12, non?
12. Ok, vas-y. Voilà. 11. J'en ai plus, c'est lui qui les a sur le côté, mon grand. Hey, j'ai des œufs. Ça tente-tu? Ouais, j'ai des œufs cuits durs. Ils sont tous cuits. Puis tiens, j'ai des crackers pour aller avec. Attends. Tiens, tu veux des tomates? Tiens, vas-y, prends-les, ma belle. Tiens. Voilà. Yeah. No problem. Take them and take the crackers. There we go. You take. He has some. Can you guys share? Because we pack them all together. Je les ai toutes mis ensemble. Tiens, vas-y. Vas-y, here we go. I don't have food no more. Brand new shoes, okay?
What size?
You need to size 8, size 9.
Size 9.
Yeah, we have 9, 10. I have 10. Someone is 10 somewhere.
I have another 9 over there.
My auntie.
Oh, here we go. Take this. And I have some boiled eggs for you guys. They're hard eggs, okay? Hein? Ouais, ben il faut des cartes. Attends une minute. I have crackers for the eggs, so you can eat crackers and eggs, okay? There we go. I'm gonna give you more.
I'm
so
gonna give it to
Yeah, no problem. And look, guys, I have some product for men.
Yeah.
If you want some, look in there. Hein? Oui, je pense que oui. Attends une minute.
You have a bag?
No, darling, unfortunately. Yes, I have an 8 one. Here we go, brother. Brand new.
I have
No, we have another box here.
8. Oh, yeah?
There's another box of, we need to open it, yeah. Yeah. There we go. Take whatever you need, bro.
Oh, you're welcome.
Tout ça ici. It says pink on it. I think they're women's shoes, these ones. I'm gonna check.